crazy how the mind, remembers things differently from how they actually happen. I don't even remember hitting this tree with my handlebar. Right there. Finger comes off the clutch, I whiskey throttle, wheelie into a tree, bounce off, and smack my head right in the side of that tree. And it about knocked me senseless for a moment. I busted my wrist on the way down. Then this happened. So I got some new tires. Went ahead and got a golden tire fatty for the front. It's a 90/90/21. Have to say I really like it. Had tons of traction. One guy, Tug over here, he runs a Shinko version of it on the front of his bike, and he likes it. But also got the Moto Z Enduro IT on the back. Rocky Mountains, selection of tires right now is pretty low, but I got all messed up right here. I got sprayed in the face with mud and stalled out, but it put a pretty good gap between me and the guys in front of me in a fast section, and I got guys behind me too, so I'm trying not to hold them up too much. I think I started to get out of my lane a little bit too much, going a little faster than I should, but all went well. It was a good ride. Been having momentary lapses of balance sometimes, and lately, I don't know, it seems like this year it's been biting me a little bit. I'll have the issue and then I'll freeze afterward and run into stuff, but I don't know, it could all just be in my head, but it seems to happen on transitions, like when I'm going from left to right or right to left, or just in weird positions, but I'm starting to notice a little bit of a pattern with it. But this is a good fast section, and the tire's definitely working good because I'm fully confident in it up until this point right here where I run into a tree. This was the beginning of the day for me. Got thrown over the ditch.
My balance comes and goes. What was that? Chain slipping? Yeah. Lost my balance.
So the older I get, it almost seems like it takes me longer and longer to warm up. And I don't know. Today wasn't too bad, I got right in the groove of things, but recently it's been, sometimes it's 20 minutes, sometimes it's the first hour. I just feel like my legs aren't underneath of me on the bike. But I had D606s on the bike last week and the last, couple months. I had an MT21 on the front, but when I went tubeless, I had a fresh D606 from a rally, and I went ahead and threw it on the front of this bike. And I think for the type of riding that I do, I was kind of overriding the tire back here and all this muck, and the rear tire was about 50%, and all the knobs were rounded pretty good, and I just felt like I was sliding everywhere. So I went ahead and bought the new tires, and you'll see in the wreck in the beginning of the video, I had a little bit more traction than I'm used to, and even on that hill where I flipped backwards, I was starting to kind of handicap myself and not hit it too hard because I was kind of worried I was going to hook up too much.
Hey, you're all right, dude. Fuck, Wally. I don't know how you ride that. Or if those handlebars like that. Your arm got scraped up. Oh, I ain't worried about it. I don't even feel it.
You got the sag and everything set perfect on that?
I don't have nothing done to it.
Oh my god.
digs. That's the Moto Z Enduro IT. I was way out of shape on that one, but that tire took me right up the hill. Tom taking us the wrong way.